Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Tailored Expressions. We are doing do-it-yourself potion treat bottles. These are really fun bottles for the August release. Fill them with candy and give them for Halloween. We are using the Playful Patterns Haunted, the potion bottles, and these come in sets of 2. We have the Pick Your Potion stamps and the potion bottle carrier. We're going to begin with the Tailored Expressions potion bottles. Take those out of the package, and then using 2 of the gorgeous pattern papers, we're going to trim them to 2 inches, and then we're going to place some adhesive on the back of the cardstock, and then we're going to roll the bottle over it, and then repeat the process for the next one. Now for the labels, we're going to be using the Pick Your Potion stamps, and these are I've pre-stamped these onto the Cut and Color Me sticker paper, which is really fun. You just color it, die cut it, and stick this onto your project. I'm not doing any shading with my Copics. I'm simply just coloring the images to make this quick and easy treat. As I said, these are on the Cut and Color Me sticker paper. We're going to remove the backing and place these on the seam of the cardstock. Now we're going to decorate the carrier using candy corn and plum punch cardstock along with the pattern papers from the Haunted pack. We're going to use some liquid adhesive. I have mounted the pattern paper over the cardstock, and then I'm going to place these over the front of the carrier. You can cut strips to have it go all around. For my purposes of the video, I am just simply decorating the front panels of this carrier. To add a little bit of spooky decoration, I have stamped and cut, and now I am coloring and doing a slight shading using 2 colors of Copics onto the Cut and Color Me cardstock available on the Tailored Expressions site. Gonna color this in with my Copics, and once that is all done shading, we're gonna remove the backing and place it on the center of our bottle carrier. Now that the carrier is done, we're gonna place our bottles into it. You can fill these with candy, seeds, popcorn, anything you like. I think it'd be a great way to give somebody a special Halloween treat. Thank you so much for joining me. Please leave a comment below and a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.